Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's find the camera app, which I cannot really spot. Oh, okay, it's here. So let's tap on the camera. And currently we are on the standard photo mode, the picture mode. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And here we have to localize the thing which is called self timer. It is in this top row. So let's tap on it. And here we've got three different options. So off, 2 and 10 seconds delay. Let me tap on 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be, the icon will immediately change. And after getting back to the camera, you can see this small notification, which is really nice. A nice touch because you can quickly check whether you've got the timer set or not. So let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 2, I believe it was the second option, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay. So it was quite long. If you want to, you can also, of course, turn off the timer. Just tap on it and tap on this disabled option. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.